Hello, my name is Amna Batul. Today I'm going to present my assignment work that I have done so far. First of all, I want to give you a short overview of my assignment. Name of the assignment is Train Ticketing Terminal. Three different users can use this system: operators, cardholders, and non-card holders. Non-card holders are those users who don't have cards, so they can book the ticket via train ticketing terminal system. They have to pay the amount for the ticket, and they can also receive a change if they are inserting more amount than the required amount of the ticket. He can book different tickets. He can book single ticket or the return ticket. So we have two different types of the tickets. And after booking the ticket, he will receive a printed ticket form. So that contains the all information about the ticket type, and the ticket amount that he have paid. And if he received any change, then he can also see that. Next, the cardholders can also book the ticket. They will also have the same functionality. They will pay the ticket amount, they will receive the change, and they can also book any type of the ticket, single or return, and they will also receive a printed form of ticket. In addition to these functionalities, cardholders can also top up their card by bank or by cash. They can also top up their they can also transfer the cash from one card to another, and they can also cancel the card. Cancel card is something like if they, in case the user is lost his card or her card, so he or she can easily cancel the card to transfer his or her whole amount from card to bank. So this all includes print, because they will on each transactions the user will receive a printed slip that contains the information like date and the time, the location of the terminal, and the amount that he has topped up or he transferred, and also the remaining amount that is in the card. So we have two different types of print: tickets and transaction slips. Next, we have operators. Operators are on maintenance side. They will first log in, then they have to switch off the machine. Switch off machine is like when he will switch off the machine, all the other functionalities of the terminal will be disabled. The users cannot use the terminal till the operator do not finish his work. So he can reload the cache, he can reload the tickets or slips, he can view the tickets, and he can view the change cache also. Before leaving the terminal, operator has to switch on the machine. So that's all. All includes the login, of course. Without login, the operator cannot proceed to these functionalities, and the cardholder users cannot proceed to these functionalities. This is a short overview of my whole assignment. Now I'll show you my system. Okay, here is my system. It contains 4 different buttons: cardholders, book ticket, urgency, and operator, and one more button for help. Urgency is something like cancel card. Operator is for the maintenance side. Book ticket is for the cardholders and non-cardholders both. And help is for the users who don't know how to use the terminal, so they can move to help button just to know about how to use the system. So that's all. Let's move to the cardholders. Okay, we have to enter a card number and a PIN number. 1111, PIN number 1234. Okay, card number and PIN number. I have taken these two from my database, as my whole system is connected with my database. Here is my database. I have used MySQL Workbench. KTM sys is my schema that contains two tables, cardholders and operators. Here is a cardholders that contains different rows, all the pins, card numbers, amount in each specific card or pin, status and bank amount. So I have taken the card number and pin number from my database. So I have inserted 1111 and 1234 pin number. Let's suppose if I enter the pin number of second card number 12345. I have inserted card number of this one and the pin number of the second card. Okay, so the user is saying that you have inserted an incorrect card or pin number. So please try again. Alright. Alright. Okay, so I have to enter the correct pin number. 1234. Okay. Okay. These are the functionalities, these are the services for the cardholders. Top up cash. The user can only top up 10 ringgit, 20 ringgit or 50 ringgit. He cannot proceed for the 30, 40, 60, 70 or 80 because I have just added this all for my layout design. Just it looks good, so that's why I have added this all other buttons. Okay, I am proceeding with 10 ringgit. Look, my whole software is like user friendly. Users can easily understand because I have follow the same layout for the ATM screens. So if you really want to proceed, press OK, otherwise press cancel. OK will take you to the top up and cancel will take you to cancel your transaction. So I want to go with OK. Okay, top up successfully done. Alright. Before the amount was 500. Now as I have topped up the now I have topped up 10 ringgit, so let's see, it must be 510. Okay, now it's asking, do you want a printed slip? Yes. Alright, you can see you cannot proceed with the print. Before, you have to click on next button. Now you can see the card number is there, 1111. Amount in my card is 510. Before it was 500. Now it's 510, means I have topped up 10 ringgit. It is showing you the date and time also and the terminal location also. So this information I'm gonna print it out. Okay. Here is the option for printing. I'm going to choose Microsoft XPS document writer to save my document on my desktop. Printing in progress. Okay. I want to save it on my desktop. Let's give a name, slip transactions top up cash. Save. Now let's go to the top up bank. I'm gonna add 100 ringgit to my card through bank. So the same thing is here. I can use 100, 200 or 500 ringgit. I cannot go with 400 or I cannot go with 600 or 300. Just for my layout, it looks good. I have added some more buttons. So I'm going for the 100. Again, it's if you really wants to proceed, press OK. Otherwise, press cancel. Okay, I really wants to go with the OK button. If I press OK, alright, successful. Okay. Do you want a printed slip? Yes, because for each transactions we need a printed slip. Alright. Look, before my card had 510 ringgit, now it's 610 because 100 ringgit have been topped up through bank. So the location is repeating, date and time is the same. Okay, print it out. Print this information. Same steps we have to follow. Okay, bank top up slip. I'm gonna save it on my desktop. Okay, done. I'm done with top up cash, top up bank. Now I'm going for the top transfer cash. I'm I want to transfer the cash from my logged in card to another card. My another card number is 11111. I have taken this from my database. You can see the second card number. So this amount must be 0 and this amount 500 must be increased when I transfer the cash. Alright, proceed. Now I'm going to transfer whole cash. So successfully transferred your balance. Please check your card to confirm. Okay. Do you want a printed slip? Yes, I really want because for each transactions we need a printed slip. So the amount is 0 now because I have transferred the whole amount from this card to another card. So let's print this also. The same process will be repeated on my desktop. Transfer cash slip. Save. Now it's done. I'm done with these three. Now I will go for balance inquiry. I want to see how much balance is there in my card. If I press on balance inquiry, you can see now total amount in your account is 0 ringgit. Okay. So it is showing me the balance. Top up is also done. Top up by bank, transfer cash, everything. Now I will go back. Book ticket. Book ticket is same as it was inside the cardholders option. Both are similar. So I want to show you from here. Book ticket. Two types. Yeah, user can select single or return any one of these. If he is gonna select single and any of the destination, he will not proceed next till he don't press book ticket now. Okay, he is done with the book ticket now. You can see as it's a single ticket, so he has to pay amount 3 ringgit. Alright. For example, if user is gonna enter 1 ringgit. Okay, total amount is not enough. Please enter more. It means you have to enter more amount. Alright, if the user is going to enter 5 ringgit. Okay. Alright, you have given the correct amount. So booking successful, but the change is 2 ringgit. The user will receive 2 ringgit from the terminal. Okay. Here you can see a ticket. The type is single. Ticket destination is Thailand. Amount entered is 5 ringgit as I have entered the amount 5 ringgit. And then change was the 2 ringgit and ticket price is 3 ringgit. Okay. I'm back. I want to go back to show you for the return also. It's 5 ringgit now. Next. I'm entering 10 ringgit. For example, if I'm entering 10 ringgit, proceed. You can see booking is successful, but you will receive a change of 5 ringgit. I want to tell you one thing here. Whenever the user will book the ticket and whenever the user will receive a change, both ticket and change will be decreased from the terminal. So I will show you this in the operator side. For now, I'm booking this. Okay. Again, the slip is here. Ticket type, ticket destination, amount entered is 10 ringgit. I have entered the 10 ringgit amount, but as the type of the ticket was returned, so the user will receive 5 ringgit back and the ticket price is 5 ringgit. Okay. Okay. Let me show you urgency. Urgency is something emergency if the user has lost his card, so he can come and use this function to block his card to transfer his whole cash from his card to bank. Okay. He cannot proceed with these all, but he can go with this cancel card only. Are you sure you want to cancel your card? Yes, I want to cancel the card. Okay, so it has been cancelled. I can show you from my database. You can see the amount is already zero because I have transferred it to my this card number. So, and the status is zero. Let me show you, let me cancel the card, this one, because here the amount was already zero. So let me do with this one. 1111112345. I'm gonna cancel card number second one. Okay. Yes. Okay. Now I will show you from here. You can see the amount is zero and it is transferred to his bank account. So I have cancelled this card. Now let's go for the operator. Operator, same, the data is retrieving from the database. So I have the operator table that contains the terminal, ID, tickets, and the change cache. So let me show you. The ID is 101. Proceed. Till the user do not switch off the machine, he cannot use these buttons. So first he has to switch off the machine so that the users cannot use the machine. The users cannot use the terminal. So let me show you how many change. 500 and tickets are also 500. Okay, operator wants to see how much cash is there in the terminal. Okay, remaining change is 493. Okay, and the tickets are 497. Okay, why? Because you can see before I I booked the ticket. Okay, one was of single and one was returned, so three tickets are decreased. So before it was 500, now it's 497, means my three tickets have been decreased. Likewise, my amount is also decreased because the user received 5 ringgit back and then 2 ringgit also back. So that's why. Okay, for example, if I'm going to add 500 change in the terminal. Okay, and ticket also 1000. Okay, I want to show you one thing here, that I have added the tickets and the balance also, but before that you can see the machine is already switched off, and when we go back the user cannot use these. So now before it was 400 and something, the cash and the tickets were also something 400 and something. Now it must be increased. You can see 500 is increased. Remaining change is 993. Okay, and the tickets are 1497. Okay, now let's go back. Okay, I have to switch it on. I have to switch on the machine so that users can use it. Okay, now go back. So far I have done with all my system, but I want to show you this help button. This help button will show you the some instructions that how to use the machine. If users don't know how to use any of the button, or operators don't know how to use it, so they can come and use this information to get to know that how to use the machine. Now, okay, I want to show you one thing, that if if I want if I want to cancel, if I want my, if for example if I'm entering wrong pin number 3 times, so the card must be retained by the machine. The user cannot use that card again. So the last card that I'm remaining with, this one, so I will block this card, 111111. Okay, double one, double one, double one, and 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, now, okay, I entered the right pin actually. I have to enter the wrong pin. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, 1 2, one time, 3 4, two time, 1 2 again, 3 times. I'm done with 3 times. Incorrect card or pin number. Sorry, your card is retained by the machine. Okay. So now user cannot use this card. He has to go back. You can see in my database now the status is 0. The user cannot use this card again. So if I log in again with the same card, I will not able to go with this. Look, incorrect card or pin. Try again. It means the card is blocked. Now you cannot use it. That's all for my this whole system. Now I want to show you my logs, because for each and every action that is done in the machine, the system will maintain all the logs. So I want to show you the logs. Okay, so here are my all the logs. Okay, login success, cash transfer successfully to card number. This one you can see pin number is not showing because I have because of security. It is not showing you the pin number, but it is showing you the card number. And then total amount, it is also showing you the total amount. And booking is successful. What type of booking you took for the ticket? Is it return or the single? Before I took single, then I took for the return. And that's all. So that's all. Okay, so this is all. I also want to show you that card number is cancelled, because just now I cancelled these cards, so it is also showing that messages also. So this is, that's all. Nothing is left, I think. Yes, logs are also displaying here on the output screen. It's also showing here, but the file that has been generated by the Netbeans I have shown you before. So this is all my assignment I have done so far. Okay, so that's all for my whole assignment. Thank you. Have a nice day.